Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I am Idinception, a female fashion instructor and a seamstress. And on this channel, we post sewing content. So if you like my content, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we are going to make this beautiful silk Ankara shirt bottom dress. So let's get started. So these are the measurements I used, and because it's a loose dress, I added 3 inches to each of the measurement. So I use this silk and Ankara fabric, and the name of the silk fabric is Paradise in Ghana. Okay, so I've gone ahead to draw out my armhole line, my neckline. So I just went ahead to cut it. It's a shirt dress, so you just have to follow the procedure on how to cut a shirt dress. Yeah, so that's me cutting my armhole, my shoulder slope, and the neck lines. But if you don't know how to cut, if you don't know how to draft shirt dress, you can comment. I will drop a tutorial on that as well. I didn't want to make the video length. Layers unfold. So I went ahead to cut my hat stiff for the bottom line. Yeah, the bottom line. Okay, so I went ahead to fold in half an inch so that I will just put the stiff there and fold it over so that both outside and inside will be neat. Okay, so yeah, that's me ironing my half an inch. I did it for both side, like left and right of the dress, and I placed my stiff in there to make it stiff enough for the job ahead, especially for the button. Layers unfold, a dream within sight, it inception style. Day turns to night, fabrics that shimmer, patterns that blend, where fashion begins but never ends, bringing dreams into reality. So I've gone ahead to cut the sleeve, the pocket, the neck band, and the pleats around the sleeves and at the side. So this is how far we've gotten to, and if you've not liked my video at this point, what are you waiting for? Kindly like. So I went ahead to sew, and this is how the final work looked like. Yeah, it came out nice. You just have to take your time. At this point, I've gone ahead to fix my bottoms. I did my bottom holes and the bottoms all with my zigzag machine. So if you know how I did it, you can as well ask, and I'm going to drop a video on that. So this is how it's looking like. Guys, it came out so beautiful. You see how easy the tutorial was. It's not any rocket science. You just have to. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. Kindly share, subscribe, and like. Bye.